If you've been wanting to start an e-commerce business, I'm gonna guess the reason why you haven't yet is because you haven't found a product to sell. And that's not an uncommon problem that people have. It's actually really hard when you're just getting started to pick a product idea and run with it, because you may think that it's the wrong product, that it's not gonna sell, etc., etc. And in this video, I'm gonna quickly share a really good strategy to finding products so that you're confident in testing them so that you can build your own e-commerce brand off of it. So let's get right into it now. The template that I'm gonna be showing you here actually came from a member of the NetSphere Discord server. So let's just go through it real quick. So the first step here is to pick a product that is being advertised. And the reason why you wanna do this is because when you're just getting started, you don't really know what works. So a great way to figure out what works is by looking at advertisements out there and trying to improve upon what you already see working. You know the classic quote, good artists copy, great artists steal. That's actually not a bad way to start your business, and at the very least it'll start teaching you some of the skills that you need in order to build a successful business. So you pick a product that's being advertised and it must have a high blended order number on AliExpress. So what that means is like overall orders on all of the similar products and a high blended reviews number on Amazon. And that means basically same product or similar products, it must have a lot of reviews on Amazon as well. And I'm actually going to use this one product store here as an example to show you because it's really well built and they're popping off. I mean, I've actually shown this brand before and they're scaling to 500K a month very quickly. So let's say on AliExpress, you found this product right here. So as you can see, it's getting a pretty good amount of orders, over 1,000 orders. That definitely shows you that it has some demand. And then on Amazon, we've also found it here for $24.99. And it only has 2 stars. So this product may not be ideal to test. And as you can see, there's other competitors as well selling something really similar. And it doesn't seem like people love this product. So personally, I wouldn't even think to test this. But I'm not gonna lie, me and my team have found 10K a day products by doing this exact stuff that I'm showing you here. However, it's my personal philosophy, and you can create your own principles when you start building your team and your business. It's my personal philosophy to only sell things that will actually make the world better. That's a pretty broad statement. Obviously, I'm not here to, cure world hunger and, cure cancer or anything, but I want the products that I sell to actually solve a problem, to be quality, and to enrich people's lives in some way. And this is why we don't test a ton of products all the time, because it's not easy to find products like that. It does take some work. So don't think that you're gonna find a product overnight. It will take some work to think of a business plan and idea, right? Otherwise, everybody would be starting a business. So you also want to check on Google Trends, check all the keywords that customers use when searching for the same product, and this will give you an indication of the product's demand. So as you see, hair removal is a really hot niche. It's consistently spiking and doing really good. So you know that there's a lot of people that are interested in this. So next, you want to check your competitors' ad library, see how many ads they have, how many creatives they're testing, different ads, different scroll stoppers. That's a really good one because the first 3 seconds of your video are the most important. This will give you an indication of how strong your competitor is. And how you do that is you basically go to your competitor's Facebook page. As you can see, we're already there, and they're doing a great job at posting really branded content. So these people really know what they're doing. And then you click on page transparency here. You click see all and go to ad library. Then in their ad library, you can see how many things they're testing. And as you can see, they are testing 370 different ads right now. So the competition for this is extremely strong. And I would definitely keep that in mind. That doesn't mean you can't sell this. It just means that, you got to put in some work here because the competition is ruthless. But here's the thing, if you do this enough, you'll find some competitors that are complete trash, like they're doing everything wrong, but somehow it's still working. And that's when you have a product that you could potentially do really well with. Now, the third thing is to see how long they've been around. So for this store, we know they haven't been around for that long. They created this page on March of 2022. So not a very long time, which is actually a good thing. And then you want to check on Amazon for similar products. So what this will allow you to do is get a really good idea of who's buying this stuff and why they're buying it, some of their pain points, some of the things they're struggling with, some of the things they're trying to fix, and stuff like that. So as you can see, people absolutely hate this product. Like, this one does not work as advertised. So again, I probably wouldn't even think to sell this, but I'm guessing this brand is doing something different because they are getting good reviews and people do seem to actually like this product, just not this AliExpress version. So if you've done all this and you've reached this level, now you know that your product has demand. You now understand the product much better, the customers that are going to be buying, their reasons to buy, their needs and complaints, and now you have a worthy competitor competitor that you can follow in their footsteps and differentiate yourself in little ways. So like my guy here said, now all you have to do is differentiate yourself and let people feel that you understand them better than your competitor does. This will push more towards establishing a relationship of relevance and trust, and ultimately making you different. So really great thread right there. I had to share it with you guys because I thought it was so valuable. And I think a lot of people just overthink this stuff. It really does take some work, but I always say this, don't think of starting another dropshipping store. Think of starting a business here, right? Like you're creating a business and you're using the dropshipping model just to get it started. You know, Davey Fogarty, who's done over 400 million with e-commerce, right? He just created a complete tutorial that you guys should definitely check out. And he talks about all these things while also showing you how to build a store. But he also believes that it's possible to start a e-commerce brand through dropshipping as long as you're treating your customers right and finding really good products that people will love. That's really the key. So that's about it for this video. Just a real quick tutorial for you guys that I thought you would like. If you did enjoy it, then I want you to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more. But with that said, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Peace.